Everybody, David H, 98 F-150 here. I'm out near a great place here in Central Oregon near Lamolo Lake, and I'm about ready to have breakfast. It's Monday, right around 11:15, and just starting to get going. Got my coffee, my French press so that I can make more coffee when I need to, which is really, really tasty. So this morning, we're going to be taking some flat cut bacon, cheese, got my eggs here. Hopefully they haven't broken. Oh, perfect. And some peppers from the garden. So what I'm going to be making today is an omelet and take you along for the ride. So what we're going to be using, a little bit of whipping cream. Oh yeah, and then my secret ingredient, special seasoning mix of garlic powder, salt and pepper, smoked paprika, and a little bit of curry powder. There it goes in. A little bit of sriracha just to give it a little bit of zing. And then just take my fork. Get that all nice and stirred up. All right. Now I need to start cutting. Get the old stove going. There we are. Now a drink of coffee. So, put my little cover back on so that I don't cut myself. Out here in the boonies, that would not be good. And we'll add our vegetables in. Heat up. And we're going to add some veggies. In here I've got some sweet peppers, some onion, a little bit of jalapeno peppers. Give it a little bit of a zing. Now let's cut up a little bit of bacon. Yum. Now it's going to give it a nice smoky flavor. A little bit more of the secret seasoning. A little more sriracha. And some salt. Season everything. Doesn't that sound great? I think I'm going to put some cheese in there with it too when it's time. A little pepper jack, some Asiago, and a little bit of sharp cheddar. So we're going to be putting quite a bit of cheese in this. And that's after we add the egg. Give it a little bit of stir. Get everything nice and cooking. This should be really yummy. One of the things I decided to add on top of the egg is a little bit of avocado, which would be really, really good. I love avocado. Set that one aside a little bit. And then just give it a little bit of slices. I like that. All right, I think it's time to add the egg. Give it another little stir. Don't know if you could see that, but take a look at this. Oops. Coming together nicely. Now to add the cheese. So that can melt in there nicely. Give it a little more salt. And a little more seasoning. All right, time for me to turn the stove off. Here we are. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Add my avocado. A little bit more salt on that. And a little more sriracha sauce. Now, doesn't that look yummy? Let's see how I did. Really tasty. This really hits the spot. I love outdoor camping. I love outdoor cooking. It somehow just makes everything taste better. And now I'm going to go enjoy my breakfast.